Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video of a club factory. The packaging is changed. Before it used to be blue and white with some printing on it, but this time it's almost white, red and white, and this is how it looks. Please do like if you like my video, subscribe and hit on the bell icon to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Do comment below if you liked any product or you need any help. So let's get started without wasting any time. So first thing what I will be reviewing is about this footwear. So I like this beautiful warm home slippers, which is of like zebra printing. This is how the base looks like, the back. The one thing which I really didn't like about this is like it is of cloth. There is no support for slip on, like if you get slipped or something, but as it is a warmer, like winter and rainy warmer footwear, keeps warm. I have taken a bit bigger size. Maybe my foot is a little bit small enough, so I didn't know. This was my first purchase of a footwear. So, and if you're wondering how to know what size to pick, in an Indian size it will be like on numbers like 38, 39, you can go in that way. So this is 7.5. I should have bought 7, but there was no 7. I should have gone for at least 6.5. That also would have done fine for me. Europe's size is same as Indian size, so that will help you to pick one. So yeah, this is 7.5, and I will put a link down below if you want to purchase these. These are pretty cute and nice, and as you can see, my dog also likes it. The second thing is this makeup remover pads. So this is in a heart shape. You have to put your hand in here and take any of the dirty makeup brush and like swirl on it, and there are different sort of prints, if you can see. This will help you to remove all your dirt. If you want a review on this one, do comment down below so I will know, and I'll make a separate review showing you how to keep your brushes, makeup brushes, really very clean with the help of this pad. And the price, as I said, I will put it on below on the screen and even in the description for the link. And next one what I bought is this nail wipes. I really am disappointed with the quality. I mean, it's okay. I thought it might be thick enough, and if you can see, these are like too thin. Seriously, it's very thin. You can't remove any of your makeups or not. You can remove your one use. You need to use at least one. If it is like bright colors or like glittery ones, you need 1 or 2 pads of this tissues like pad. And if it is a light color, mild like nude color, I think 1 is enough. So for your whole for all your 5 fingers, I think you need around less 3 to 4 to use it. Not bad, but not that good as well. The next thing is this rubber band. This is a random pick. I wanted a blue or pink in color, but I got a yellow. It's not bad. It has got a cute bow, and it's really very soft, and it's quite enough stretchy enough for your head. You can wear this if you have to scrub your face, apply some face masks to keep your hair far from your face, from your forehead, and even when you're doing makeup, you can even use this band. It's really very soft and very much comfortable. I really loved it. The next thing what I purchased is this silicone chocolate mold. I had purchased hard silicone on a before quite couple of months back. It's really very nice. I also use that for making homemade chocolate. So I make it sugar free. It really turns out good with the dry fruits and everything. If you want to know how to make homemade chocolates sugar free, please let me know in the comments below so I can make a video on it. So this time I will show you how to use this silicone mold instead of using that hard one. It had a bigger place, and these are so small, so I think you can have a control of eating it. And the next 2 ones are this cute adorable mobile phone cable protector. I love the pattern. It has got a white plastic holder, and above that you have to put this. So one has got a bear paw, and another one is the owl, the cute one. Let me show you. Normally what happens is, if you can see, as you can see, I've put a lot of glue over here, hot glue, to protect this, as it is like broken, and from here it is like literally chipped off. Okay, if you can see, this is how my charger looks like. So let me show you how to use this. So what you need is to take any of these. So let me open this one and show you. So this can be used for one. I bought two different cute ones to be put on both the ends. So now what you have to do is you have to keep one from here and other one from here and put it so firm that it doesn't open up. So this is how like you have to put, but if you want to use these, so you have to put between these two from here, and then you have to place on the opposite side and press it hard so it firmly sticks to each other. And voila, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. So this looks cute, adorable, and it also protects your cell phone via cable from getting damaged. So that's all guys, I just bought this couple of stuff. I will mention the price in the screen below of each product and even a link on the description box so you can purchase it. And I will write down the invite code of this so you can get offer. According to your first purchase, second and third purchase, you will get a discount. So I will link that invite code down the screen and even in the description box, so that will help you to get a little bit of discount for your first and second and third purchase. See you guys next time. Do subscribe. Please hit on the like icon if you like the video. Comment down if you have got anything to ask, query, or need any sort of information about the Club Factory purchase. And the good thing is now you get cash on delivery, COD is available. So that's one thing good, so you can purchase how much ever you want without any worries. You don't have an hassle of buying on card. You can easily go on cash, ladies, and you really get good stuff. There are most of the stuff which I really loved, I have purchased. I will link down the other video in the description box so you can check it out, that I have made couple of purchases from Club Factory, and most of the times I am really very happy with their products. Hope you like my video. Please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and please hit on the bell icon for the new notification whenever I upload any new videos, so you can come to know with the notification sound. See you next time guys.